This is a cluster body. It's used to house conductor connections from different tubings or wires. Our large cluster bodies come in a 3, 4, and 5 hole option and a 0 hole or 1 hole option for the caps, all available in 6 different finishes. Our large cluster body is a great size, a size comparable to this wooden bird I recently whittled. Why compare it to this whittled bird, you ask? Because I'm getting pretty dang good at whittling wood. I mean, look at those details. Ooh, it's kinda creepy up close. This is Science Barbie, our pride and joy at Color Cord. Made with large cluster bodies, ooh, she's sexy and she knows it. So how do you build a light fixture with 1/4 IPS fittings? You'll need a couple pieces to make that happen. A large cluster body, duh, 1/4 IPS tubing, 1/4 IPS coupler, a 1/4 IPS to 1/8 IPS reducer, 1/8 IPS tubing, a tubing transition, and socket cover. Simply attach it all together and you'll have a seamless looking transition from cluster to socket. If you have any questions or concerns on this product, feel free to reach out to us. Also, I'm happy to announce I'm offering wood whittling tutorials, so let me know if you want to learn from a pro.